like previous chapters of our tutorial, but today we'll do something opposite. Today we'll make English movie on Polish version of Archicad. Why? Because even if I switch to to international version that you can see it in English, it doesn't matter, because if you work on French, Japanese, Chinese version, all tasks, all options are made the same. The first thing we'll open one of our facades, and here you can see how the building looks like now. First thing we'll do is we'll make some sketch. Our building is looking in something like this. Yes, we've got main building. Here we have window number 1, window number 2 on first floor, on ground floor. You've got the same thing here. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, and here we have windows like this. Oh, here and here. Yeah, and these all are our windows. Yes, here, 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 and here. Okay. What we'll do next is making our building look something more like customized. We'll leave the main building like that, but we'll get him on reinforced bracket. Here's the bracket. Yes, and now on the start we know here will be a glass balustrades. Yeah, okay. This window will go as one big window. This will live like it was. Yeah, okay. Next thing we'll do is we'll make a terrain going like this. I know that nobody likes when second person, when drawing person moves his paper, but I draw like that. Okay, our terrain will go up to here. Now we'll have slope of terrain. Yeah, something like this. And here we will have second position. So this bracket, yeah, we can't leave it like that. We'll have to do some foundation, some construction. I was thinking about a construction like a big cube, reinforced cube. Yes, here with hand in hand, and here we'll make big steel columns. Yeah, in V system. So this will be steel one, this will be bracket, this will be reinforced cube. Bracket. Yeah, okay. We've got ground floor, we've got first floor, we've got here foundation, and here we will do something more specific, like well foundation. Yeah, they are empty inside. Yes, we've got here a concrete, and here we have ground. This is our terrain. and this is what we will make. Yes, okay. Because we don't want to leave a building like that, we'll make on the first floor a balcony with glass balustrade, but this will be reinforced and this will be steel. Okay, now we'll cut it here in the middle, and here between this window and this window we'll make wood panels. Okay, and the top of our building will be from steel, will be a steel facade. Yeah. Something like this. This is only a sketch, so we're going to do it like this. Yes, this is our window, window, and a steel facade. Okay. To show you how it will look like, yeah, here we have steel, here we have steel frame, yes, and here we will have steel panels to make it look, I hope, real awesome. Okay, 5 minutes of sketching, and I hope the concept will be clear. I would need something red to make it with colors. I have something like red. Red will be this one. Yeah. And this will be our customized building. This ground we will delete. We will delete this one. No, we won't. We'll make from our foundation that we already have, these ones, we'll make our steel frame. Yes, we'll take all our foundation and we will make it to be something like that. This will be our frame, this will be our frame here. No, we won't make it. This is a wall, and I wanted to make it from the here we will have something like 35.35 we are reinforced concrete, and here we will turn off all materials. Okay, now we'll make something like that up to here. One more thing, here we have a straight one. Okay, we're home. Here's our first thing, second, and here under this wall we'll have another thing like that, and this will be our band. Okay, this will live like that. Here we have our band, and this will be our terrace. I think 3.5 meters will be enough. And now we'll look for it. It's it's look like that. It's not bad. It's really not bad. If we would use bigger beams, because I think this one will be too short for this task. Yeah, I think 45 will be enough. 45. Yeah, okay. So we got first thing we have done on our sketch. Now we'll do our foundation. Our foundation under this band will not be hard to make, because it will be a simple wall. Simple wall that will move under this concrete, and will move it with one more specification here and here. We will move it. Here's 80, here's 100. Okay, we are home. We are home again. Here 100. Yes, we are here, we are home. 90? Yeah, that should be 90. That should be 90, and that should get here. Okay. Now we will change it to the reinforced concrete, and we'll make it it's 100, and we will get deeper up to 3 meters. So 3 meters of depth. Okay, in the next one we can make some isolations. Okay, so now we have our building right here. Now we should make our here our these are, how do you call it, composites. Yeah, those are composites. Okay, so we will have this here we have concrete, here we have foam. We'll move it right here. We don't need this, we don't need this. We will make a plaster. Okay, like 2 centimeters. So here's one thing, and here's second thing to make 8-15. Okay, so we are home again. Yeah, okay. Here's something going on. Yes. Okay. Here we have our concrete made terrace. Here we have the rest of our terrace. Yes. And here we can make it with concrete again. We are going up 5 centimeters, and we are home again. Will be here we'll have 15 meters of height. Okay, we've got our first thing. Okay, we're going to -1, and now we'll have a column that will have 2 meters for 2 meters. Here we have our column, and it will be here on 0, and we'll have it 2.5 meter high. we'll give it here. Oh, he got here, and we'll move it 2 meters here. Okay, let's see the cut. The cut looks like that, and cut in opposite side. And now our terrain will go like this, so we can move it 6 meters lower. Like this? No, 1 meter more. Okay, so we've got our building ready. Yes? No, we have not. We need still columns, but we won't make it from column. It wouldn't be a bad idea. We'll make it as a concept one, 35 or 35. Yes, and we'll give it here. Why does she go there? 0. Okay, so let's see it here. We're going down and we move it up, and we'll get her, let's see, be here. Okay, here, and now let's Ctrl E, turn it here. We can make it like this. It will look awesome. 35, 35, 25. No. 35 to 25. Okay. So we've got our design almost ready. This will be still. Okay. Ctrl M. Second thing. Ctrl M for the opposite side. And we wanted to make something like this. Looks really awesome. Okay, we've got the terrain ready for making. We will go here. Okay, we'll start with simple terrain, something like this. And now we will take our polylines to make it look really awesome. Okay, here we have our concrete foundation, our wall. So let's make it like this. Yes, here we have our other foundation. So let's make something like a shelf, but not really a big shelf, something like this. This line we will move here. Okay, and here on the bottom we will have our end. Okay, we've got our land here. We take our tool of ground, magic band, poch. Yes, and the same thing we will do here. We take our terrain, our ground, and make it like this. Okay. Now we have our terrain. It will go here straight, and here up to here. I think 7 meters down. So this thing will go minus 700. Here minus 700, and here, pointing on this line, we'll have minus 700 and use to all. And for that we have something like this. As all the lines are here and all the lines are smooth. Okay, let's make it for 800 to make our ground. Okay, we are home. We are home alone. Here we have our concept, and let's look like this. We should make it on minus 474. Okay, so let's make it. So let's make it on minus 474. Here going down 474, and here we'll make minus 485. Okay, so we've got our ground ready. Like this, something like this. Remember that you can always delete this line and move this one. Yes, so we can make our ground looks more satisfied to us. Oh, something like this. And this one will move here. We've got our concrete, we've got our land, and we've got here our ground ready. If you want to make this as a beach, here we'll have sand, and on this we'll have water. Nothing more simple. We must copy this one and cut it with this line. Let's make this line. Okay, delete that. Now we'll have two of our lands. Yes, so now we can make it look more like we would want it to be. Okay, here we have nature. We don't have sand, so let's make it. So let's make it and make it right to the double. We will make it new from catalog, and where we will have it. It's looking for sand. Didn't see this. Maybe here ground ground water. We don't have sand. Okay, we'll do it with ground. So let's get here and let's make our brown ground. Okay, for better looking, we can make it like this. This will be operator, this will be basic element, and we'll make it like this. One more thing with uppercut. Okay, and we've got something like this. We've got to correct that. 1, 2. Okay, so we've got the ground, and the last thing we will do is to make our water. Our water will be from water, from clear water. This we can turn off. Here we go, up, down to here, and down here. Yes, now we will cut it. This will be basic element, and these two will be operators. Okay, this water is really bad. So we've got waves. What is shit? Okay, but we've got water. We can make it with ground to be more wavy. Okay, we've got our ground and our basic thing. Okay, now we will make a balustrade like here, or steel frame on the first floor. Our steel frame will be with beam. Will be very simple, because we will make 35 to 25, 25 to 25, and this will be steel one. Okay, we've got frame for 150. Okay, we've got our frame, and here we have our wood panels on it. So we've got our steel frame -5, and here we have our wood that is 5. Okay, turning this off, we've got our wood. Okay, now we'll take our balustrades. We can make them first thing, and then we can customize it. 1, 2, and 3. The same thing here, down here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we've got all 4 panels. Segments, we can get it on or give here a panel, and this panel will be -5, 0, 0, 0, without anything else than just a glass. And this will be our great balustrade. This will be our great balustrade, and top thing will be how will we make it? Well, we'll make it from wood. Okay, let's make it like wood. Okay, so we've got first thing. Second thing is to make it be our steel construction, but we have a window to make. Okay, we will make a window like this. Simple, very simple. Just more simple it cannot be. Okay, so we got our building like that. We will take this part with this one and this one. Okay, without that, and we'll make it like gray. Awesome. And now we'll need our panels. We can make it on in 2 ways, like columns, or these 2. Okay, we need a sham. We need a sham, and we will make it like this. This one will be 90. Without that, this will be 3.5, and this we won't have. Okay, we've got our this thing we can delete with delete, and this thing, this profile, we will make like 5, 5, 2. Okay, we've got our profile, and it will be made gray as well. Okay, and now we will start. We will start here. We will start here. Make it looks like great. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got something like this. It doesn't look like our panel, but we can make it like this. We'll change this this 25 to 0, and we will take our panel, our main panel, on sham, and we will delete it. So we got something like this. See this? See this? We can make it something like more. Here we will have 5. So our columns are almost ready. Okay, we will delete. We will change our sham to 95. Okay. It's here. This looks great. Here, this doesn't look great. And we will change its height up to first down here, and here up to the top. Okay, we will now turn off exterior profile, so we'll get something like this. Yeah, and now we will turn our corner profile, sorry, and make it something like this. We will change it to this one. Okay, we've got 5, and here we've got 3, and 2, we've got 3 here. Yeah, so our panel looks like this. This is not the perfect thing, but I think for my my purpose it will be great. Okay, so we've got here window that will make something like bigger. Up to here. Great. Now we will take this one too. Great. Now we will take this facade. We will take this facade up. Open up. Take this one here on the middle, this one here on the middle. The same thing we'll do here, just on the middle, and we'll cut it, make it shorter. Okay, here we have our windows, our window number 1, number 2, and here we can make it shorter, but here we won't make it short. What can we do? We can make, with our shape, we can make some operatives here and here. Great. When we will open it in 3D, you will have them here. Now extrude them, even something like this. Now this will be operator, and this will be basic element, and just cut it. Okay, this one will move to the operators layer. If you don't have it, just make it, and now we will hide it. Yes, and our design looks like this. Great, yes, it's great. We can make the same thing here, or we can make one of the things here. We can move them, or we can make operatives. I will move them. So I change my design, my walls and windows, just to have it right with elements I planned. Okay, it looks like great here, but it doesn't look great here. Okay, I will do it in 3D. I will take this shape, start here, finish here, and extrude it outside. This will be my operator, and he will be on operator layer. This will be my basic shape. Great. Here we have only color, and we've got only color, so we can make it like doesn't have only color. And here we will have construction like that, this. And where is he? Where is she? She's something like here, here. Now, so we'll find it in another way. We will get our tool, Control A, and we've got our thing ready. It's here, hidden here. I will use Control M to make it in opposite direction, and now I will make it lower. And this is my design. Now all I have to do is get my operators lower. What did I say? Lower? No, hidden. Okay, I got my building. Now I will make these panels as easy as I can. I will make it like this. I will take my shape and draw it like this. 1, 2, 3, up to here, here, and here. Yes, and now I will make it to be a wood. I have here some kind of wood. This is my favorite wood. Okay, but it's not on the building, but here. I will extrude it 2 centimeters and move it right to the corner. Okay, now this will be operator, this will be basic element, and we'll cut it. Operator, basic element, cut. Yes, and we've got our design ready. Oh, my doors are something like on air. Okay, I will make it like this. I will make it like a stair. Stairs. Okay, we'll make it like this. We'll take stairs, balustrade, and we will give it a line here. Okay, we will change something up to here, 20, 15 to 30. Now we will take our stairs, but where are our stairs? won't be this one. Okay, 100, 50, 50. Okay, so we should be able to draw, but I cannot draw, and I really don't know why. So here we will have 50, 30 centimeters high. So we've got 2 steps. 130, 25, and here I wanted to have 2 steps. 2 steps, but I can't. So what's going on? Okay, I have the thing I wanted to have. Balustrade, 3 steps, and now we'll have something like this. Okay, we've got our 3 steps. Our balustrade that we can delete, and our stairs we can move here. I wanted 3 steps, but if I will have 2 ones, I will be as well great. It will be great. Okay, my balustrade from here to here, up here, and down here. And I have a sheet. Okay, from here to here to here, with some I don't know if you can call mistakes, but with some trouble, it is done. It is done, and as you can see, he's not listening to me in every kind. In everything I want, but I have a thing and design I wanted. I have a steel panels, I have a terrace, balcony, foundation, steel columns with V. Here I have my reinforced band, and this is simple building I wanted to make. And what we'll do next? Next we will make it look different. Hi, I would like to ask you to forgive me my not too good English in this movie. I got back to English recording after a few years of not using this language in speech. For many years I was only reading and writing in English, so thinking about Archicad and explaining how to do many things and in this software, plus talking about it, it's rather hard to me in the beginning, but I can assure you that in next movies my English will be better, and a box of my spelling of my words will be much bigger. I hope you will enjoy that movie and leave the sub, leave the bar, and live upward.